second, every minute. Man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now.
Hey y'all, y'all know it's cold and flu season. So I'm up early. It's like 7:50 in the morning. I'm gonna chop up these onions, and then I have honey right here, which is 100% raw honey. I'm gonna add it into this jar. Then I'm gonna let it sit, and then I'm gonna serve it to them. It's supposed to help with the mucus. Let me chop the onions up, and I will keep y'all updated on how it works. Okay, so the onions are chopped up now. I'm gonna start adding it into the jar. Once I place the honey and the onions into the jar, I have to let it sit in the refrigerator for hours before I serve it to them. It's just like a home remedy that probably will work better than the medicine. So let me start placing this into the jar. I'm going to place it like layer by layer, and you will see when I get back. And then I'm gonna get something to mix it up all together once everything is in there. If you would like to try it and your kids are sick or you sick, try it. Just don't give it to a baby. Do not give this to a baby. I would say like 1 year and older. Okay, so now I use this butter knife because I don't have anything else to use. And just do this. Trying to mix it in well together. Then I'm gonna place this top on it. I have other jars that's better than this. It's in my garage. I don't feel like going in that garage searching through them totes. So I'll just use the jar that I had, as long as it have a lid on it, and I'm gonna cover it with a paper towel. This is one of my protein shake jars, so I could just wash it out. Let's see how it looks at the bottom. And then I'm add more at the top and place it into the refrigerator. Feed it to the girls. Okay, and I am done mixing it. This is how it looks on the inside. If you have a smaller jar, use a smaller jar. I just used what I had, and I didn't feel like going in my garage looking through them totes once again. This is how it looks on the bottom. Now I'm going to place it into the refrigerator. I wanted to share this with y'all. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching.